Hi, this is the SLM 3D printer and printing the titanium TC4 alloy TPM structures. Here you can see that how beautifully it draws the structure and deposits a new layer of the powder. And this is a build platform, and here is printing the diorite, shivas and diamond-like structures, and the two other blocks for the density test. So this is the layer by layer deposition of the powder, and the laser draws the 2D image on it. So let's see it. How does it works? These are the layer stacks of the model. You see that right now it is at the 310th layer, and when you increase the layers, the structure is built. So this is the mechanism how it works. The scraper brings the powder from the powder supply container and deposits a new layer over the build platform. So thanks the Sysma Mycin 3D printer.